Whereas meanwhile, even as the Mahakumbh has begun today, we've learned that the Tapti Ganga Express train has been attacked with stones at the Jalgaon station in Maharashtra. Now, do know that the Chhapra-bound train had started from Surat and was scheduled for the Mahakumbh Mela and was supposed to arrive at Prayagraj. However, one of the window panes of the coach has been broken. This is what we're learning. No one has been injured, fortunately. However, a case has been registered against an unknown person in a Jalgaon railway station security force police station over the incident. Now, a targeted attack seems to have appeared on the horizon with the Tapti Ganga Express train bound for Prayagraj was attacked by stones. This is what we're learning. As you can see on your screens, viewers, a window pane of the coach of the Tapti Ganga Express train was attacked, shattering the window. In fact, some of the passengers are all headed towards the Mahakumbh Mela, which is commenced today. In fact, the attack took place at the Jalgaon area in Maharashtra, and a case has also been registered now with the Jalgaon Railway Security Force police station over the incident. Let's listen in to what the passengers had to say on the incident.
हम लोग गंगा सूरत से और प्रयागराज के लिए सफर कर रहे हैं महाकुंभ मेले में, जो कि जलगांव से 2 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे किसी सामाजिक तत्व द्वारा पत्थर मारा गया है, जो कि बाल बाल बचने से हमारे काका श्री बचे हैं, जो महाकुंभ में दर्शन के लिए और स्नान करने के लिए जा रहे हैं।
घटना को पत्थरबाजी के तौर पे नहीं देखा जाना चाहिए। थोड़ा दूरी पर, मतलब जस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म से एक 16-17 कोच आगे गए होंगे, तो उस समय लेफ्ट साइड से एक पत्थर किसी व्यक्ति द्वारा ट्रेन के कांच को मारा गया। किसी यात्री को कोई चोट नहीं होना बताया। मामले की जांच मेरे सब इंस्पेक्टर मनोज सोनी द्वारा जारी है।
Viewers, even all the attention on the Mahakumbh Mela, the Tapti Ganga Express train, which is bound for Prayagraj, was attacked by stones in the Jalgaon area of Maharashtra. This is what we're learning. In fact, a window pane was also shattered in the process. FIR has been registered with the Jalgaon Railway Police Forces over the incident. And as you also saw, the passengers had accounts to say about the incident, as they were all bound for Prayagraj ahead of the Mahakumbh Mela. Whereas now let's turn our attention to Delhi, where the Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena has slammed the Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal. Now this is on the charges of the demolition charges that were levelled. In fact, this is after Arvind Kejriwal's fear-mongering over the demolition of the slums in Delhi. We learned that the Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena has now called Kejriwal's allegations a complete lie. This comes after Arvind Kejriwal alleged that the BJP had tendered the land for the Shakur Basti slum. Now, Kejriwal had previously accused the Lieutenant Governor Saxena of changing the routes. Now, Saxena has denied vehemently Kejriwal's allegations and affirmed that the Delhi Development Authority has neither changed the land use of this colony, nor has the DDA given any eviction or demolition notice, and he also accused Kejriwal of misleading the people. Let's listen in to what the Lieutenant Governor had to say on the whole route.
अरविंद केजरीवाल शकूर बस्ती की झुग्गियों के नजदीक गए। वहां उन्होंने शकूर बस्ती की झुग्गियों के विषय में जो बयान दिया वो सरासर झूठ है। उन्होंने 27 दिसंबर की डीडीए की बैठक का हवाला देते हुए कहा कि एलजी ने इस जमीन का लैंड यूज चेंज कर दिया है। डीडीए ने ना तो इस बस्ती का लैंड यूज चेंज किया है और ना ही डीडीए ने कोई इविक्शन अथवा डिमोलिशन नोटिस दिया है। श्री केजरीवाल जानबूझकर कोरा झूठ बोल रहे हैं और लोगों को गुमराह कर रहे हैं।
Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Akhil, who's joining us live. Akhil, just recap for our viewers, really, what were the allegations that were levelled by the AAP chief, Arvind Kejriwal, that has now been refuted by the Lieutenant Governor Saxena, and prompting, again, this is in the context, ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, which is weeks away from. Viewers, the latest update on ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, we've learned that Arvind Kejriwal, who had leveled allegations saying that the land was tendered by the BJP for the Shakur Basti slum. Now, the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, V.K. Saxena, has stormed into Kejriwal and said that all allegations leveled by the AAP chief is not only leading to fear-mongering, but it is a means to mislead the people.